అందరూ కూడా మ్యూట్లో పెట్టుకోవాలి. సో ఎవ్రీవన్ కీప్ యువర్ ఆడియో మ్యూట్ ప్లీజ్. ఓకే గైస్, సో లాస్ట్ టైం మనం ప్రాజెక్ట్ టైప్స్ ఏంటి, అలాగే ఎస్ఏపి ఎంఎం కన్సల్టెంట్ రోల్స్ అండ్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీస్ చెప్పడం జరిగింది. అండ్ వీడియో లింక్ కూడా ఎలా మాట్లాడాలి అనే వీడియో లింక్ కూడా మీకు పంపించడం జరిగింది. ఓకే, సో ఇందులో కొంతమంది మేము ప్రజెంటేషన్ చేస్తాము అని చెప్పారు. ఓకే, సో ఉదయశ్రీ, మహమ్మద్, శ్రవంతి, శ్రవణ్, సురేష్, అర్జున్, వెంకీ. సో మీలో ఎవరైనా చెప్తారా? నో ప్రాబ్లం. సో ఎవరు కూడా ఇక్కడ మిమ్మల్ని ఇలా తప్పు చేసి ఇలా మాట్లాడేది రాంగ్ రైట్ అనేది ఏమీ లేదు. జస్ట్ ఇది ఒక ప్రజెంటేషన్ క్లాస్. ప్రజెంటేషన్ చేస్తే మీకు ప్రాక్టీస్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో ఎవరైనా చేస్తారా ప్రజెంటేషన్? సో నేను చెప్పిన పర్సన్స్ ఉన్నారా?
yes sir.
Yes, Mohammed. Yes. Start చేస్తారా?
Yes sir.
Yes please.
Hello, good evening to all. My name is Mohammed Hussain. Today I will give demo on roles and responsibilities of a MM consultant. As a MM consultant, in real time we will work on various levels. In that we have implementation, strategic level, operation level.
గట్టిగా మాట్లాడతారా? ఏం లేదు, జస్ట్ రైజ్ యువర్ వాయిస్.
Yes. Implementation, troubleshooting, end user training, and finally documentation. Suppose if we are selected for a implementation project, first of all we will relocate to the client location if it is an on-site opportunity. After that, the project manager will conduct a kick-off meeting. In that meeting, the project manager will explain about the project goals, project objectives, project timeline, and SLA, code of conduct, business process, like that. In that, we all will introduce ourselves, and we have to work with all other department consultants also. After that, we have implementation level. If we suppose one company will, sorry sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay. If one company first time they want to implement SAP in their company, then it is a implementation project. We have to work from end to end. In that, first we will in operation level we will gather the all information from client. In that, we have to prepare some documentation. First is as is information. In that, we will collect the business data from end user, and another is to be information. In this, as a MM consultant, we have to prepare this document. In this, we will map in SAP according to business process. After that, it is a gap analysis. So gap analysis is nothing but the difference between as it is information and to be information. So in this, we will according to business process. If anything not possible, we can take the help of technical consultant like ABAP consultant. If the ABAP consultant also not prepare any business process, then we will contact SAP. After that, scope documents, we will arrange meetings with client, and if we have any queries, we will get information from the client. At that time, we will discuss about master data like material master, vendor master, and transactional data also. After getting this all information, we have We will start implementation. Implementation nothing but configuration. In this we have baseline configuration. In baseline configuration we will do almost 70% of work as a SAP consultant what we have to do. In final configuration we will do integration and gap analysis configurations will be done. After that we have planning completed, documentation also completed, and configuration also completed. Then we go for testing. In testing we will do unit testing, integration testing, performance testing, security testing, user acceptance testing, like that. After completing the testing we will upload the data into SAP. If the client has non-SAP data, so we will upgrade the data and migrate the data into SAP. For data migration we use some tools like LSMW, that is legacy system migration workbench, and BDC, batch data communication. For S4HANA also we use LTMC tool. After that we have other phase like system design. In system design we use functional specification documents here process, and after that we go for go live. After go live the all process implementation process is completed, so the client will switch off the old system and we will start a SAP system. Business is doing in SAP. After completion the process we have hypercare mode for 2 months. If the business get any issues we will resolve in this hypercare mode. After completing the implementation process we have troubleshooting. Troubleshooting means if we face any issues we will resolve that. It is nothing but to support project. In the support project we have tickets like P1, P2, P3 and P4. In that we have resolution time and response time. If the end user will raise any issue we have to respond. That is like that response time. For P1 and P2 tickets we will take 15 minutes as a response time, and P3 and P4 tickets we will take 30 minutes response time. After that resolution time means if we have P1 ticket then we have to resolve within 2 hours. If P2 issue then we have to resolve within 6 hours because the P1 P2 are high priority issues. And coming to P3 it is a medium. We have 3 days as a resolution time, and P4 is a low priority. We have up to 5 days. According to organization this will vary. In support project we face issues like configuration issues, integration issues, master data issues, user mistakes, like that. After that we have end user training. In initial stage we will give training to end user, because if we didn't give the training to end user he will do more mistakes. So we will automatically our work will be increased. So in initial level we will give training to end user. After that we will prepare documentation, whatever the test cases we have prepared we will prepare all the documents.
Very nice, Mohammed. Very nice explanation. Almost you explained 10 minutes. Great.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, fine. So anyone ఇంకా ఎవరన్నా చెప్పేవాళ్ళన్నా ట్రై చేయండి, నో ప్రాబ్లం. 10 minutes చెప్పాలని రూల్ ఏం లేదు, జస్ట్ ట్రై ఇట్.
Sir, can I?
Yes, please, Venki.
Hi sir, good evening all. My name is Venkatesh Pandla. Today I am going to present the SAP MM and S4HANA consultant roles and responsibility. So coming to the point, I am fresher to this SAP and now I am going to explain the roles and responsibilities. In real time, different kinds of levels are there. Strategic level, operation level, implementation level, troubleshooting, documents and maintenance, and last one is end user training. So coming to the strategic level, it's a high level planning. Here strategy is nothing but planning. In this our role is very less here, and MM consultant will only involve in kickoff meeting with project manager. And coming to the second level is operation level, and it is nothing but for for easy to understand, it's a blueprint. In this, we are gathering requirement, that is how to get the business information from client. And this is, we are performing two ways of information. One is as is information and to be information. In to be information, and as is information and documentation customization in to be information. Difference between as is information and to be information is called as gap analysis. And coming to the third level, it is implementation level, and it is nothing but configuration level. And it is a two ways of configuration, that is baseline configuration and final configuration. Coming to baseline configuration, 80% of business were performing the baseline configuration only. Coming to the and final configuration, FI, MM, SD, PP, QM, all are comes under the final configuration. And coming to the troubleshooting level in this configuration, while we configuring, some issues are comes, that is configuration issues, end user mistakes, master data issues, security issues, performance issues, integration issues, and interface. Last one is interface issues. These all are comes under this level. And in this, we have to resolve the different kinds of tickets which are raised based on priority. We need to do that. And in this, four types of tickets are there, like P1, P2, P3, P4. And in this, P1, P2 are high priority tickets, and P3 is the medium priority ticket, and P4 is the low priority ticket. And this level, we must be alert on this project level. When tickets are raised based on priorities, some times are there, resolution time and response time. And coming to the end user training, we must give to training to end user in the end of implementation and configuration. And that is the end user training. And the last one is documentation and compliance level. And it is nothing but we can call it as go live level. In this, all the configured documentation will be submitted to company, and no complaints will raise on you. Example, no project included matters will be not shared to others. So this is all about SAP MM consultant roles and responsibilities, sir. And thank you, sir. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity to me.
Great, nice explanation. So you almost explained 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, nice. ఇంకా ఎవరైనా చెప్తారండి? సో మనం డిస్కస్ చేసిన క్లాసెస్ గురించి జస్ట్ లైక్ ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్తే సరిపోతుంది. ఇంకా ఎవరైనా చెప్తారా? సో ఐ థింక్ ఆల్రెడీ షేర్డ్ వీడియో కూడా పంపించాను ఎలా మాట్లాడాలనేది. శ్రవణ్, సురేష్, అర్జున్, శ్రవంతి, ఓకే, ఉదయ్, ఎనీవన్? ఓకే, సో రేపు చెప్తాము అన్నవాళ్ళు సో చాట్లో మీ నేమ్స్ పెట్టండి. రేపు చెప్తాను అన్నవాళ్ళు. రేపు చెప్తాము అన్న వాళ్ళు చాట్లో పెట్టండి. చెప్తే మంచిది, రేపు పొద్దున్న మీరు క్లయింట్ ఫేసింగ్ స్కిల్స్ వస్తాయి. ఓకే,
ఇప్పుడు చెప్పొచ్చు.
yes please.
Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Udeshri. Let me walk through the SAP MM and S4 HANA course and introduction level. And there are mainly 5-6 types of the levels in this training. They are like strategic level, operation level, implementation level, troubleshooting, documents and maintenance, and then end user trainings. And coming to the strategic level, it's kind of planning. And for example, like business is extended to some of the other countries like USA, UK, Dubai, etc. So the companies are planning to introduce this SAP into their companies. And then project manager will set up a kickoff meeting and introduce to the consultants. And there we'll discuss about the project goals, project objectives, SLAs, and business process, project duration, code of conduct, etc. And then coming to the operational level, it is kind of a blueprint where the project planning, documentation, configuration, testing, go live, this all takes place. And mainly it includes like as is information where the client business information, and then to be information is SAP document and where the consultant is involved in this particular step. And then gap analysis is the difference between the as is and the to be information. And then scope document, this is kind of a list of the questions where the client can forward to us, and so that if any minute questions which we are not able to understand, we can pose through these questionnaires. And then coming to the service level agreement, there are like two types of the tickets. They are like resolution service level agreement and response service level agreement. They are like differentiated into four types, mainly P1, P2, P3, P4. Like high level means it should be resolved in 2 hours, where the response should be given within 15 minutes. And P2 is the high level. This also comes under the high level section, where the resolution can be given in 6 hours and the response should be given within 15 minutes. And P3 is, comes under the medium level, where the resolution can be given in 3 days and the response could be given within 30 minutes. And then P4 comes under the low level, where it could take 4 days and it can be responded within 30 minutes. So, and there are certain types of issues where we go through. They are kind of configuration issues, master data issues, user mistakes, security issues, performance issues, integration issues, and interface issues. Also like end user training, where it deals with mainly the documentation and compliance kind of these things. And mainly there are like 6 types of projects involved in this app. They are like implementation, support, rollout, upgrade, conversion, mergers acquisition, where the implementation means like client, where the clients which are using SAP for the first time, so these will come under the implementation type, like where the for example methodology, CCC, ASAP, S4 HANA, Greenfield, Bluefield, Agile, these will come under the implementation level. Where the support kind of companies are there, where methodology, where the tickets like service now, resolution time, response time, as we discussed earlier, these kind of things will come under this support kind of projects. And then configuration rollout projects will come under like business extension, where the projects could be extended to different countries. And then upgrade project is like upgrading from old version to the new version, latest version, where if there is any, like from 1909 to 2022, where there is any changes, we have to upgrade into that level. And then like from ERP to ERP and Oracle to SAP, and then Microsoft SAP, PeopleSoft SAP, these are all could be upgraded to the upgrade project. And then merger acquisition, this comes under like one company merges with the other company and they make use of this SAP. That's all. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
ఓకే మేడం, వన్ సజెషన్ SAP అనకండి, SAP అనండి సరిపోతుంది. అంతా బాగా చెప్పారు. ఫైనల్ గా SAP అన్నారు. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈస్ ఫైన్. ఓకే,
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
సూపర్ నైస్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్. ఇంకా ఎవరైనా చెప్తారా? ఇంకా ఎవరైనా చెప్తారా ప్లీజ్? ఇంకా ఎవరైనా చెప్తారండి? జస్ట్ 5 minutes చెప్పినా ఓకే. ఓకే, చార్ట్లో పెట్టండి. టుమారో కంటిన్యూ చేస్తామన్న వాళ్ళు జస్ట్ పుట్ యువర్ నేమ్ ఇన్ ది చాట్ బాక్స్. ఓకే ఓకే, దెన్ చెప్తే వెళ్ళండి. గుడ్, మిమ్మల్ని ఎవరు కూడా ఏమనుకోరు. ఓకే, ఎవరి ప్రజెంటేషన్ వాళ్ళది, కరెక్ట్ అయినా రాంగ్ అయినా, వచ్చి రాందైనా, హాఫ్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఉన్నా ఫుల్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఉన్నా, సో ప్రజెంటేట్ చేస్తే మీకు ఆ ఫీర్ పోతుంది ఫస్ట్. తర్వాత ఆటోమేటిక్గా అన్నీ వస్తాయి. కంగారు ఏం లేదు, అన్నీ ఒక రోజులోనే రావు. అందరూ నాకు లాంటి వాళ్ళు కూడా చాలామంది ఉంటారు. ఓకే, సో లేట్గా లెర్న్ చేసే వాళ్ళు కూడా చాలామంది ఉంటారు. కాబట్టి ఎవరు కూడా టెన్షన్ పడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. జస్ట్ ప్రజెంటేషన్ చేయాలి అన్న ఇంటెన్షన్ ఆపిస్తే వేరేది ఏమొద్దు. అది కరెక్టా రాంగా అన్నది నేనేం చెప్పను, బట్ మీరు చేస్తున్నారు కదా, దట్ సఫిషియంట్. తర్వాత మళ్ళీ కొన్ని అసైన్మెంట్లు ఇస్తాను మధ్యలో. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు కాదు, కొన్ని రోజుల తర్వాత. అప్పుడు మీరు సో ప్రజెంటేషన్ చేయమంటారు. సో ఆ ప్రజెంటేషన్స్ మీరు చేయగలిగితే సక్సెస్ అయినట్టే మీరు. ఓకే. సో ప్రజెంటేషన్ అనేది సో రేపొద్దున క్లయింట్తో మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు మీకు ప్రాబ్లం లేకుండా చేస్తుంది మ్యాక్సిమం. ఓకే, అందుకే నేను ఈ ప్రజెంటేషన్స్ అనేది చేయించటం. ఓకే, నో ఇష్యూస్. ఇంకా ఇద్దరు చెప్పడానికి రెడీగా ఉన్నారు టుమారో. ఓకే, సో టుమారో ఇద్దరు చెప్పడానికి రెడీగా ఉన్నారు. సో ఈరోజు నేను బేసిక్గా మనం సర్వర్స్ గురించి మాట్లాడతాను. ఓకే, సర్వర్స్.